You're at the grocery store, standing in front of the meat case, looking at all these numbers on these ground beef packages and wondering, which one do I choose? I'm Chef Dagan. Welcome to Beef 101. Let's learn something delicious. See the numbers on the front of the package? They represent the lean to fat ratio. The bigger number is the lean percentage. The smaller second number is the fat percentage. More fat means more moisture, means juiciness, and less fat means a firmer texture and a lighter flavor. Think about the dish you're making when choosing the right blend. Blends like 70-30 or 80-20 are great for burgers and meatballs or other dishes where you want more moisture in the meat. Blends like 90-10, 93-7 are perfect for tacos, pasta, and casseroles. Whatever blend you choose, be sure to cook your ground beef to an internal temperature of 160 and drain excess fat if needed. If you're looking for a little bit more moisture in that recipe, add a little bit of beef broth. Class dismissed. Cooking is all about understanding the basics, and we're here to help. For more beef tips, visit beefitswhat'sfordinner.com and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson.